Good morning and welcome. Before we get started, I'd like to take a moment to thank the healthcare and frontline heroes who are serving tirelessly to protect our health and safety. As the world continues to struggle with the COVID-19 pandemic, let's keep them in our thoughts and in our prayers. I'd also like to recognize the change makers who are standing up to do more to create a better society for everyone. For 74 years, you've known Sony as an influential global organization that delivers innovative technology to consumers. We're leveraging this strength not just to create industry-leading products, but also to make powerful, immediate changes that demonstrate the care and respect we have for our colleagues, our customers, and our communities across the globe. We're backing our firm commitment with concrete actions, including donations made through our $100 million COVID-19 Relief Fund and our $100 million Social Justice Fund. And although we can't be together in a physical space, as we've done for decades, I'm here today to welcome you, our cherished custom installation community, into my home for Sony's virtual press conference. As insiders, you know that Sony is a founding member of CEDIA and CEDIA Expo, and this is our 31st year participating as one of the CI Channel's strongest technology partners. In these challenging times, the vision and strength of our tight-knit CEDIA community will help us get through this together. We've all worked hard to build this industry together and will continue to evolve and adapt shoulder to shoulder with you to find creative solutions for the custom installation industry here in North America. These are extremely challenging times, but Sony always has and always will be there with you and for you. The custom installation space is critical to us, and we want to design and build the future with you. Now, Sony strives to bring you the best home theater experiences possible. And in today's environment, we feel that this is more important than ever. As this group knows very well, our lens to living room philosophy is something that only Sony can deliver. And I'm honored to share with you today that Sony has been recognized for the 4th year in a row by CE Pro as the #1 brand in AV receivers, TVs, projectors, and Blu-ray. This industry recognition clearly demonstrates that Sony is built for custom installation, and together with the CI community, we are exceeding the demands of the customer and delivering best-in-class home entertainment solutions. I'm also excited that joining me today is Jeff Goldstein, head of our sales to the custom installation channel. Jeff is a seasoned industry veteran that many of you know, who brings decades of experience to Sony. He has in-depth knowledge of our distribution channels, product development, and he is refining how we engage with customers. In his short return to Sony, he has been deeply involved in setting the direction of our home theater and our products for today's CI market. I know that Jeff's strong leadership will lead Sony and the custom installation market to future successes for many, many years to come. Now, every day, our customers and creators inspire us to consistently focus on quality, reliability, and innovation to meet their evolving needs. In just a moment, Jeff will introduce our exciting new home theater products, and he'll take you step by step into how they are uniquely Sony. So, with no further ado, now here to tell you more about all this industry-leading technology is our good man, Jeff.
Thanks, Mike. Excited to be back at Sony and announcing these great new products. Over the years, we've committed ourselves to delivering innovations that live up to the trusted Sony brand. Our products have evolved significantly to not only represent the firsts and bests in the industry, but to meet the changing needs of the CI channel. Now, without further delay, we'd like to introduce you to some exciting new products designed specifically for custom integrators, starting with TV. Today, we are proud to announce that the Master Series A9S BRAVIA OLED TV is now available to the CI channel. Derived from its bigger brother, A9G, which was crowned the king of TV last year, the A9S is the best of the best in a smaller size. We know our dealers have been looking for smaller screen sizes with great picture quality, and we listened. At 48 inches, the A9S meets that demand, giving our dealers an even deeper bench of first-class offerings. By utilizing Sony's industry-leading picture processor X1 Ultimate, this Master Series TV achieves incredibly clear picture quality for a truly immersive viewing experience. Now, we hope this premium TV will bring a new level of quality to applications where a compact solution is required. Like our TVs, our projectors also make any in-home entertainment an unforgettable big screen experience. With immersive, true-to-life picture quality and spectacular brightness, any content is seen with corner-to-corner clarity. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the two newest members of our projector family, the VW715ES and the VW915ES. They will replace our VW695 and VW885 from our current ES projector line. These projectors bring true 4K high dynamic range to the next level and introduce two key new technologies. First, they will feature the X1 processor for projector, which uses the same technology you'll find in our award-winning TVs and enables high-precision frame-by-frame analysis. The other key change is the introduction of Dynamic HDR Enhancer, which analyzes each scene to deliver the best contrast performance when viewing high dynamic range content. With this technology, the bright scenes become brighter and the dark scenes darker to deliver incredible images. These impressive projectors will add to our range of reliable and high-quality offerings for custom integrators. And to give you even more variety, customers can now buy the new VW715ES along with the VW295ES in a new white color. Now, we want to introduce you to something incredibly special. To those CIA dealers listening, you may have heard a bit about this over the last few weeks. Best-in-class picture quality has guided our projector strategy since the beginning. From our G90 CRT projector that brought new levels of performance to the burgeoning home theater market, to the Qualia 004 that transformed the industry by introducing the world's first SXRD model, to the VW5000ES, our current and industry-leading flagship model. Now, we're changing the game once again. Today, I'm pleased to introduce the most advanced projector we have ever created for the CI channel, the GTZ380. Beginning this January, it will become available to all our authorized premium projector dealers. This native 4K projector is like nothing we have ever made before. Its incredibly immersive contrast, color, and brightness will transport you directly into your favorite movie, TV show, or game. It delivers overwhelming image expression and features our most advanced picture processor ever, the X1 Ultimate for projector. This groundbreaking projector will feature our smallest 4K SXRD panel ever, coupled with a newly developed laser light source, which enables it to achieve an impressive 10,000 ANSI lumens. Its quiet, low heat, and compact chassis offers greater installation flexibility. All of these new technologies combine to create an unbelievable viewing experience. It's our passion and goal to ensure that what you see on screen comes directly from your favorite content creator's imagination and vision. Tune in to our Sony 2020 live CEDIA booth tour next week to get a closer look at this amazing new product. So, we've talked a lot about our best-in-class picture quality today, but high-resolution sound is also a critical part of Sony's philosophy of bringing the most true-to-life experiences home. That's why we're happy to share that we're expanding our Signature series to include the SAZ1 high-res near-field powered speaker system, which will be available through select Sony audio dealers. The very unique SAZ1 brings together Sony's legendary audio expertise with first-of-its-kind custom audio technologies to deliver a listening experience for the most dedicated audiophiles. Let's take a look.
指揮者がこうトントントンと歩いて指揮台に登り、演奏が始まる瞬間ってすごく静か、音のない音っていうか、なんか今でもなんか鳥肌が立つ感じ。あの感覚が出せるとすごく嬉しいなって思うんですね。スピーカーを机に置いてもらって、音源としてウォークマンなり PC なりを用意してもらえれば最高の音楽が楽しめる。スピーカーってやっぱある程度距離離れて聞くことを想定しているので、ニアフィールドに適しているもの、近くで聞いて最高になるように技術を盛り込んで作ろう。今までのそのオーディオ体験とは違うこの世界観っていうのはやっぱ味わってもらいたいですね。
In addition to offering premium products, we are also continuously looking for ways to support our loyal CI dealers as needs evolve. We know that commercial projects are a growing part of the integration business. To support this trend, we've made key products from our award-winning professional line of equipment available to all our CI dealers. Integrators evolve their business with changing industry trends, and we're always here to support those endeavors. But our relationship with the CI channel isn't just about selling our products. It's about being there in good times and bad. COVID-19 has had a huge impact on the global market, and back in April, no one knew what the impact on the CI industry would be. That's why we acted quickly to provide tools to fuel short-term business. In addition to offering our normal support through our Diamond Dealer program, we developed a recovery marketing program enabling dealers to leverage their Sony partnership to drive quick turnaround sales. This program includes a variety of customizable digital assets that dealers can tailor and quickly deploy in their local markets. We hope these efforts help our dealers to continue to thrive in this rapidly evolving market environment. As we continue to face uncertain times, please know that we are here to support our dealers and the industry with premium products and premier partnerships, which just happens to be the theme of our virtual CEDIA booth this year. Sony CI dealers are the best in the industry, and the powerful partnership we enjoy will help us adapt and work seamlessly together as we enter the new normal. Be well and stay safe.